You don't have to sacrifice the warmth and glow of a wood-burning fireplace for the simplicity and ease of gas. A fire brick insert gives you both. Fire brick technology uses a seamless brick pattern that is hand-painted by skilled artisans to stay beautiful over time. This patented technology generates, retains, and radiates significantly more heat into the room while using less fuel and reducing your heating costs. Anti-reflective glass, clear view screen, and an illuminated ember bed, along with a standard fan, all add to the fireside experience. Operating your fire brick insert is simple, smart, and safe with a standard IntelliFire Touch remote control, the most advanced and intuitive control system available. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Heat and Glow. No one builds a better fire.